Hey everybody, it's Wes with All Pistons Garage. Guys, I was in Harbor Freight and I was trying to figure out how to do a small project, and I run across this Warrior 80-piece rotary tool kit. It's a small, what I'd say, Dremel type tool. And for what I was looking for, I was like, hey, this thing right here, as small as it is, it may just do the trick. It may get in where I need it to go. It was only $9.99. So I said, you know, what the heck, I'll pick it up and we'll give it a try and see if it'll be able to do what I need it to do. If not, guys, it was only $9.99, Harbor Freight. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, let's see if we can get into this. See if it's like most of all the other Harbor Freight stuff I got. You'll hear my doors rattling, guys, in the background. It's pretty windy out. Only got one door open, but the wind is rattling the doors. All right, here we go. All right, we got some drill bits in there. Okay, all right. All right. All right, warranty, instructions. Really, guys, who needs instructions, right? All right. Okay. Warrior 80-piece, 12-volt DC. All right. Guess we plug in here, and then we plug in there. Let me get an extension cord and see if we can get this plugged in. All right, got us an extension cord here. Get it plugged in. All right. Okay. Got some revs to it, some RPMs. All right, guys. This is your lock. This was what I thought it was. So you can chuck up your whatever you're needing, drill bit, whatever you need to do, grinding stone. All right, okay. All right, guys. In the accessories here, we have diamond burr bits. We've got an assortment of mounted stones. We also have the sanding drum, the carbide burr bit, dressing stone. Looks like we've also got steel wire brush, nylon brush, buffing wheels. That's nice. Cut off wheels. Yeah, that comes in real handy too. And looks like we got some couple of drill bits here. So, all right. So guys, what I chose to use, I want to use the small drum sanding drum, and we just slide it on. And let's see here. I'm gonna get this a little. So we tighten the nut, or we tighten this screw, and it swells the rubber inside the drum there. That looks pretty good. All right. Let me go in here. Probably should unplug it. And we go in here. Maybe have to change might have to change the head here, maybe. Yes. Gonna have to change the head there. Let's see which one it will fit. There we go. Put that in there. All right. Get that a good tighten. All right. We'll plug it back in. Give it a little test fire there. All right. Got some torque. Okay. Now let's show you what I'm intending on doing with it. Hopefully it'll work. All right, guys. So guys, this is the console out of my 2004 GT. And these tabs are molded tabs. Now, what this holds a plastic ring which is connected to a boot, and that boot goes over the emergency brake handle that you pull up. So when I was taking this out and everything to get it out to re-dye it, because it had some stains on it, I didn't break these off. These tabs was already broke. They were already broken off. So the plan is, guys, I want to grind that surface area where they're broke off. I want to grind that flat. This is completely experimental. It is not sure this is going to work, but I bought some plastic bolts, nylon. I got them from Lowe's, 832 by half. The plan is because these are plastic and that is plastic, I'm going to use my plastic bonder, JB, high strength structural adhesive. I've used this on plastic before. It's very, very good. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to grind that surface down, possibly even grind the head down a little flatter on these. And you see where this is going. I'm going to mix up the plastic bonder, and I'm going to try to build me some more studs. Now, this thing is under no pressure. It just holds the ring. As a matter of fact, guys, this is it right here. It's just, this one, it's actually broken. It was broken when I took it out. But all it does is it just holds the boot in place. There's not a lot of pressure on it. So what I'm hoping is the bond will hold good enough that, you know, I can replace those studs and it'll work. I don't know, guys. Could be a long shot. I tell you what, guys, that got in there, actually got in there pretty good. I think I got it flat enough that maybe I can get some glue down in there. I've got to, of course, clean this up. All right, guys. you know, because that tool was small, I was able to get it in there. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. So now I'll put one of the little wire brushes on there, and we'll get it all cleaned up there and see, get all this debris off of here. And I don't know, guys, maybe we're on to something here. Okay, guys, I had to go to a little bit smaller head there for the brush. The shaft's a little bit different size. All right. All right. Let's see if we can get some of that debris cleaned off. There we go. That one's still kind of... All right. All right, guys. I may have to get in there a little bit better with a brush. It cleaned this one up pretty good, and it cleaned this one up real good right here. That one is a little bit difficult to get in there. So still, I think I'll stick a wire brush in there and see if I can give it a go. But so far, guys, this thing's doing exactly what I want it to. Now, my diabolical plan of what I'm doing with these may not work. I'm gonna give that a whirl. I just want to do a video on this little Dremel, what I'm calling a Dremel. It's actually a Warrior. You can see all the drill bits, the different drum, yeah. Yep. So anyways, I told you what was in the kit. It done what I wanted it to do for 10 bucks. It'll be a handy little tool to have. You can use it in some tight spots. Yeah, I'm not going to show you all the, the grinding and buffing, and that's not what I bought it for. I'm glad I got that stuff. But whatever little job you may have, hopefully it'll have everything you need. And like I say, the size, I really like the size. I really do. It's, it'd be a little better maybe if it was where it was variable speed. But guys, 10 bucks. 10 bucks. So we can't expect a lot for 10 bucks. All right, guys, maybe you guys found this video helpful. For those of you that like the videos, thank you very much. For those of you that subscribe, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.